What up, guys? Today is part 2 of the PC upgrade of 2021. And so we're going to start with going over the tower, how it is, and how it will never be. Today is the end of an era. I built this probably 6.5 years ago. And everything, for the most part, is still cooking. I've only upgraded the graphics card and the CPU cooler over time. Oh, and the M.2 drive. I literally just recently upgraded that this Christmas. But anyways, you can see the part lists here. I'm not going to read everything over individually because it's typed out wonderfully for you in blue. But you can pretty much get the gist of it there. We did have the Intel 5820K. I never overclocked it or anything like that. That was a great CPU. Great CPU and motherboard combination. Everything was good to me. You know, what can I say? It was just getting a little old. And that's why we're moving on today with the Ryzen upgrades. I think I talked about it in the last video. I went ahead and picked out this particular motherboard. I'm rocking the stock cooler for now, and I am loving the new case. So just want to show you guys the parts really quick before I get into the build. So this is the box the case came in, and this is the case unboxed. This is the Ryzen CPU. Very excited about doubling my core count. And this is the motherboard I ended up going with. I had such good luck with my Asus motherboard last time, I kind of didn't really see the need to go any other way. So here's a quick time lapse of me taking one computer apart and using some new parts to make the new computer. And this is the final product. Pretty happy with it so far. Only issue at the moment is I did not get the proper hard drive adapters, so I had to order those on Amazon. I also got two Noctua 80mm fans to go in the back of the case. And those are going to be coming in later this week, so I'm just going to have to take that back out and install those. That's why you don't see the 4 screws holding the rack case in there. But other than that, everything's great. So far, so good. I updated all the drivers. Everything is cooking and where I want it to be. So I'm very happy with this upgrade. And part 3 is probably going to come a little bit later on. Part 2 came quicker than I expected, but it was good timing nonetheless. Part 3, we're going to add a 1U NAS, a Synology NAS in there. And right now I'm just kind of figuring out which drives I want to buy, the size, kind of the configuration and everything. So we're probably about a month or so out from that video. And then part 4 will be significantly down the road. What we'll do is we'll upgrade the power supply. We'll probably go to like a 1200 watt power supply. And I'm hoping sometime down the road we'll be able to get a 3090 for somewhat close to retail, if not retail. That would be the goal. So yeah, so I hope you guys kind of enjoyed this. Nothing's plugged into the network switch yet. You will probably see everything, and the cables behind it are a mess. Oh my god! But yeah, so what we'll do is we will have everything wired up on the next video and kind of go over it, and yeah.